Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by setting a neutral baseline. Bypass or reset every band to 0 dB so you hear the raw material. Once done, play a trusted reference track at your usual mix level and match loudness. This prevents bias. Next, use a narrow cue and boost about +6 dB to sweep for problem areas. You will hear ringing, muddiness, or harshness. Make sure to mark those frequencies. This gives you precise targets for cutting instead of guessing. You now switch from hunting to shaping. Start by cutting, not boosting, which preserves headroom and clarity. Use narrow dips of about -1 to -6 dB to remove resonances, then employ wider cue boosts of 0.5 to 3 dB to enhance character. Remember to high pass where needed, remove sub-rumble but keep musical low end, and set the slope sensibly. Also, compare in context. Soloing helps find problems, but you finish by balancing transparency with intention. Use low cue boosts and consider linear phase filters for minimal artifacts. Constantly a /B by bypassing the EQ so you can hear whether changes improve the mix or just sound different. If you encounter problems, muddiness, pumping, or loss of punch, make sure to check phase relationships, gain staging, and your monitoring room or headphones. Often the fix lies outside the EQ. Finally, commit only when the mix sounds better, not just louder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.